Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Samidha Chandvekar. I am as assistant professor from Department of Information Technology. Today, I cover the topic regarding to the encoder. Now, what exactly the encoder? Encoder is a digital combinational circuit which is used for, it is a human friendly information. That means it's a common information that will be converted to the particular coding format, and that processing is known as a encoding. So what encoder exactly? Encoder have the maximum 2 raised to n input lines and n output lines. So this is the block diagram of encoder. So block diagram there are the what 2 raised to n input lines and n output lines. So there are the different types of the encoder. First type is 4 to 2 encoder. See 4 to 2, that is 2 raised to 2, that means 4. So it have 4 input lines and 2 output lines. It converts the information of 4 bits to the 2 bits. So there in this block diagram there are 4 to 2 encoder, I0, I1, I2, I3. These are the what inputs, and the Y0 and Y1 are the outputs. According to this, there is a truth table for the 4 to 2 encoder. There are the 4 inputs I0, I1, I2, I3 and outputs Y0, Y1, right? So this I0, there is a 1, then I1 1, then I2 1, then I3 1, and rest of this are the 0. In output, there is a 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. So from this truth table, we can recognize the Boolean expression. See Y0, when it is 1, then 1. When I1 is 1, then Y0 is 1. Again Y0 is 1 when I3 is 1. So the Boolean expression for the output Y0, that is equal to, this is I1 plus I3. Similarly, in Y1, there is a 1 and when it is 1, so Y1 1 when there is a I2 1 and Y1 1 when there is a I3 1. So I1 Y1 is equal to I2 plus I3. So these are the Boolean expression for the 4 to 2 encoder. And from this Boolean expression, we can recognize the circuit diagram. So in circuit diagram, see Y0 is equal to what? I1 plus I3, right? So there is a what? We are required 2 OR gates for Y0 and Y1. So Y0, that is this one is what? I1 first input and I3 is the second input and Y0 is the output. In next OR gate, there is a Y1. Y1 is from I2 plus I3. So first input is I2 and the second input is I3. What are the applications of this 4 to 2 encoder? Basically, this 4 to 2 encoder is used in data multiplexing. Then it is used in generating digital control signals. It is also used in addressing decoding applications, encoding the data in digital systems. Similarly, there is a next type, that is octal to binary encoder. Okay. So what exactly the octal? Octal means it's a 8 bit. So 2 raised to 3. That means, but obvious, it's having a 3 outputs. So in this octal to binary encoder, there are the 8 input lines and 4 output lines. So this is the block diagram for the octal to binary encoder. It shows what? I0, I1, I2, I3, I4, I5, I6 and I7. These are the input 8 lines and the 3 output lines, that is Y0, Y1, Y2. So these are the what? Truth table for octal to binary encoder. This is input and output, right? So I0 to I7, you just have to put 1 in a descending order, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So I0 1, I1 1, I2 1, I3 1, I4 1, I5 1, I6 1 and then I7 1. In output lines, there are the 4041, 2021, 2021 and 0101010101. So from this, we can recognize the Boolean expression from this truth table. What exactly? This is Y0 and that Y0, when it is 1, when I1 is 1, I3 is 1 and then I5 and I7. So so Y0 is equal to I1 plus I3 plus I5 plus I7. When Y1 is 1, when there is a I2, I3 and I6 and I7. So Y1 is equal to what exactly? I2 plus I3 plus I6 and plus I7. So what exactly the Boolean expression for the Y2? All ones are at which position? There is a when I4 is on, I5 is on, I6 is on and I7 is on. That means 1. So what exactly the Boolean expression for this is? Y0 is equal to I1 plus I3 plus I5 plus I7. Y1 is equal to Y2 plus Y3 plus Y6 plus I7. Y2 is equal to I4, I5, I6, I7. So according to that, it requires, obviously there are the 3 outputs, so it required the 3 OR gates, and then this is the circuit diagram for this octal to binary encoder. Thank you.